Yes,
I wanted to add to this question. How do we have confidence in us, in me,
in me.
in me?
Trisha, we are born confident. Remember when you were this small? Just this? You are so confident. Ever seen a kid? 6 months, 1 year, 2 year old? Look at the level of confidence. That kid hardly ever has any doubts. The kid wants to slap you, here it goes. It's a movie hall. A very wonderful sentimental scene is playing on, and the kid wants to have his own way. He will have his own way. Utterly full of confidence. There is no guilt, no complex in the kid. You may be wearing the best of clothes, the finest quality of suit just acquired from the market. The kid thinks that your suit is better suited to be its diaper, and it will use your suit as its diaper with no remorse. It will use your suit, color it yellow and black and whatever, and then laugh in your face. Ha ha ha. It won't even bother to say sorry to you. Right? Nobody is ever born with fear. Trisha, none of us were born afraid. Today we are afraid. Is that not so? Fear is not our nature. Fear has been given to us just as this has been given to us. We have picked it up. From where? From where? So now the kid is growing up. And what does mama say? सो जा नहीं तो बाबा आ जाएगा. You remember Gabbar Singh? What did he say? यहाँ से 50-50 कोर्स दूर तक जब कोई बच्चा सोता नहीं है तो माँ कहती है, क्या कहती है? सो जा नहीं तो गब्बर आ जाएगा. Now fear is coming. Now confidence will be lost. Fear is given to you by the family, by the society, by the education, by the media, by the friends. Fear is not your nature. Fear is planted into your mind. Are you getting it? And that is the only way to get rid of fear. Do not ask for confidence, just ask for freedom from fear. How do I get rid of this fear? You will get rid of this fear the moment you see that you are not afraid, somebody is trying to make you afraid. That this fear is external, alien, foreign. Just as I picked it up one day, another day I can drop it back. It is not what I am, it is what I it is not what I am, it is what I have. And if I have it, I may as well not have it. Given up. If you do not do well in your class 10th exams, there would be a great problem. And the teacher is well meaning. And next she says, If you do not study, you will fail. The teacher does not say that if you do not study, then you will not enjoy the subject. And there is a great difference between these two statements. Statement 1, if you do not study, you will fail. Second, study so that you may enjoy the subject. In the second statement, there is no fear. In the second statement, there is an invitation to joy. That study, and there is joy in it. But what does the teacher say? Study, otherwise you will fail. You see how fear is given to us by education? Do you see how fear is given to us by education? Do you see how fear is given to us by the family? By all these movies that you see? By all the literature that you read? All these factors that keep coming into your mind? And then when we are afraid, we ask for confidence. Do not ask for confidence. Just see what fear really is. Fear is a thought given to you by the society. Fear is a thought of incompletion given to you by the society. The society is making you feel that there is something missing in you, that you can lose something. And that is fear. That is fear. Something bad may happen, right? Something bad may happen in the future. That is what is fear. Getting it? What are the bad things that can happen in future? What are the bad things? What are you afraid of? Attendance, accidents, unemployment, and grades, and failures, and not getting a job, job security. Now, out of these 7-8 responses that I received, half were about jobs and job security and employment. Now, where is that fear coming into your mind from? Were you born thinking of a job? Was that the first thing you said to the nurse? How and where can I get a job, please? Yes? Take me to Naukri.com. And even before the cord is cut, you are making your CV. And you think, keep the milk away. I am doing something important. Who implanted this fear of unemployment in your mind? Society and these movies, and all that you keep hearing in the home, and all the pressure. That particular cousin has landed a nice job of X lakhs. All that thing about CTC and packages, and you are hearing with wide-eyed, I'm also supposed to do that. And if I don't do that, I'm worthless, finished. And the neighbor's son got a posting in Germany. And if you do badly, you will go to Bangladesh. That's how fear is. Otherwise, what? Just cleared your class 12th, sitting in your first semester, which has not even begun, and so concerned about employment and jobs and whatnot. Do you understand the process of fear? Fear is a thought given to you by somebody else. You have the right whether to take that thought or whether to Drop that thought. You have that power. Exercise that power. If I do not want to be afraid, nobody can make me afraid. Yes, you have allowed that person to make you afraid. Do not allow him. Nobody can terrify you without your permission. Do not give them that permission. And then you will never be afraid. Yes? Yes.